What if I told you that a professional animation team didn't make this? I did. In under an hour, using only 2 free tools you probably already have open on your computer. Static images are the quickest way to lose a student's attention. But 21st century educators are changing the game. We are taking 2000-year-old Panchatantra morals and turning them into cinematic animation experiences that kids actually want to watch. In the next 7 to 8 minutes, I'm giving you my secret director's blueprint. I'm going to show you how to force ChatGPT to be your creative director and how to use Canva's hidden Magic Studio to animate without drawing a single line. Stick around until phase 3, because I'm revealing a trick for character consistency that most AI creators are getting totally wrong. Ready to become a digital storyteller? Let's dive in. Phase 1, the narrative architect. Every professional animation requires a director's blueprint to succeed. In this first phase, we're transforming ChatGPT from a simple chatbot into our lead production designer. By using a structured story like The Lion and the Kind Woodcutter, we ensure that our characters stay consistent from the first frame to the last. We aren't just looking for a plot, we are generating a high-level production spreadsheet that dictates exactly how our scenes will look, feel, and move. Head over to ChatGPT. It's time to input our director's blueprint. We're using a specific master prompt strategy to ensure the AI gives us a production-ready table, not just a wall of text. Act as a professional storyboard artist. Take the Panchatantra story of The Lion and the Woodcutter and break it into 12 cinematic scenes. For each scene, provide 1. A short narration script. 2. A character seed description, e.g., woodcutter with a red vest and blue turban. 3. A detailed visual prompt for Canva's AI. 4. Motion directions for the animation. Notice the character seed. If we don't tell the AI that the woodcutter has a red vest in every scene, he will change clothes in every shot. Consistency is what separates an amateur video from a professional one. Phase 2. Generating the hero assets. To begin our visual construction, launch Canva and select the video category, opting specifically for the YouTube 16:9 format to ensure your story fills the screen with cinematic scale. Once your blank canvas is ready, navigate your cursor to the sidebar and locate the Magic Media Suite. This is your gateway to AI-driven artistry. Select the Image tab, then take the detailed visual prompt we extracted from our ChatGPT blueprint and paste it directly into the generation box. To achieve a high-end, big-budget aesthetic that rivals professional studios, I highly recommend selecting the filmic or dreamy style presets. These add a layer of soft lighting and professional depth that is perfect for children's storytelling. Hit generate, and within seconds, Canva will materialize your vision. Pro tip: always generate the maximum 4 variations. This gives you a curated gallery of choices to ensure the composition is just right. If your woodcutter's features aren't a perfect match on the first try, don't discard the image. Simply utilize the Magic Edit tool to brush over the face and refine his expressions or details in an instant. Once you are satisfied, anchor each finalized image to a new page on your timeline, repeating this process for every scene in your script. As you fill those blank frames, your static assets officially transform into a professional, cohesive director's storyboard. Phase 3. The animation breakthrough. With our storyboard fully populated, we are ready to cross the threshold from static art into cinematic motion. This is where we leave the basics behind and dive deep into the most powerful engine in Canva's Magic Studio, the Image-to-Video tool. To begin the transformation, select your scene on the timeline, head to Edit Image, and locate the Magic Media icon to toggle the video generation feature. For an instant result, hit the Generate 5-second video button. In a matter of moments, Canva's AI analyzes the depth and textures of your artwork, breathing life into a one static frame. However, for those seeking total creative control, the Customize option is where the real storytelling happens. Here, you can define the exact parameters of the movement. Instead of letting the AI guess, you can explicitly dictate the action. For instance, if you are animating a Panchatantra lion, simply type, "The lion's chest heaves as he breathes, and the forest leaves rustle in the background." By providing these specific prompts, Canva transforms your single photo into a high-fidelity, 5-second cinematic clip that feels less like a slideshow and more like a living, breathing world. Phase 4. Soundscapes or professional voiceovers. In the world of filmmaking, they say sound is 50% of the experience, and in children's education, it's the heartbeat of engagement. To begin our audio production, we'll pivot back to ChatGPT to finalize our narration. By using a targeted prompt like, refine our story script into an expressive, rhythmic narration for a voiceover, ChatGPT will provide you with a scene-by-scene script optimized for auditory flow. Once your text is ready, you have two powerful paths in Canva. You can utilize the text-to-speech app, selecting a voice that is warm, maternal, or energetic, or, for that personal teacher-student connection, go to Uploads, greater than, Record yourself, to provide the narration yourself. But we don't stop at just the voice. We need to build a professional soundscape through layering. To ensure our soundscape is as intentional as our visuals, we'll return to ChatGPT to act as our music supervisor. By entering a prompt like, based on these scenes, suggest specific genres and atmospheric keywords for a background score, you'll receive a curated list of audio themes. Take these suggestions back to Canva's extensive audio library to begin the layering process. Start by searching Canva's extensive audio library for jungle ambience and dropping the volume to a subtle 10%. This fills the dead air and creates an immersive environment. Next, add a secondary layer with an Indian classical or sitar track at 20% volume to anchor the story in its authentic Panchatantra roots. Finally, punctuate the action with sound effects, SFX. When a lion lets out a roar, synchronize a high-quality, lion roar, clip to the movement. These micro details are the secret sauce that keeps a child's attention locked onto the screen from the first second to the very last. Phase 5. The final polish. The final secret? Match and move. This transition analyzes two scenes and seamlessly glides elements from one to the next. It makes your video feel like a single, flowing journey rather than a series of slides. Finally, add captions. Use a fun, legible font like Fredica and add a bounce animation to the text so it appears as the narrator speaks. Outro or the challenge. You now have the power to turn any lesson into a cinematic experience. I've put the master prompt I used today in the description. Your challenge? Create your own 3-scene story this week and share it. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you level up your teacher tech game. I'll see you in the next